We have an update from Jerry Robin, and sadly he's still paralyzed, but at least it's a positive one, posted via the Road to Recovery site saying, quote, "Hey everyone, I'm officially boarding a medical jet today to get back to California. Thanks to my friends at Road to Recovery, and all of you have supported me since my crash 10 days ago in New Jersey at MetLife Stadium. The nurses and doctors here at Hackensack University Medical Center have taken amazing care of me, from my surgeon who rushed me into surgery immediately to every single nurse who's been by my side. I'm beyond grateful for all of them, but now it's time to move into phase 2 of this journey. A huge thank you to the awesome staff at Angel Med Air for getting me safely to California. Not much has changed yet, but I'm staying positive and grateful for what's ahead. Once we land, I'll be taken straight to acute rehab at Casa Colina in Pomona, where I'll start my rehabilitation. I can't wait to get to work. I also want to thank everyone who has donated items for my auction and all the amazing people making shirts and decals to support me. We truly can't thank you enough. Your generosity means the world to us. This injury isn't an easy one. I know it's going to be a long road, but I'm committed to the fight, and I'm so thankful for every single one of you who has been by my side. I couldn't do this without my wife, my family, and all of you. It's definitely going to take a team, and I'm blessed to have one. Thank you all again. My story isn't over. Jerry Robin. Now, obviously, it still sucks that he's injured. I mean, paralyzed from I think his belly button down. Correct me if I'm wrong there, but at least he sounds like he's in, I don't want to say good spirits, but fighting spirits. Let's go with that. And you never know. I mean, he could go there and be walking hopefully soon. That's I would assume, the goal. And let's knock on wood and say, hope it happens. You never want to see anybody get injured. I mean, this week has really sucked between, well, last 10 days, what you want to call it, between this and the Joel Evans passing. So, not a very good week in the motocross, motorcycle side of things. But like I said, go to his social medias, give him some, I don't know, praise, good lucks, whatever it is. And in the description below, there will be a link to the Road to Recovery site, so you can go donate if you want to. And yeah, with that, I'll see you later. Peace.